Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Dreamstone Arts. So guys, today I'm here with a very interesting tip to get rid of tan. So let's get started. First step is to cleanse and tone your face. So normal cleansing and toning. So I use Lotus Derma Spa as my cleanser. So I have applied moisturizer, so I'm removing it quickly. Now the second step is toner. So I am using Shana's toner. I'm slightly giving a tapping movement. So either you can do scrubbing and then apply the detan, or you can directly apply the detan. So now I'm directly applying my detan. So this is my detan and this is how it looks. So I'm just taking the product into my hand, applying it. And gently massaging. For the first 2 minutes, you'll have the burning sensation. So I've applied everywhere except my eyes. So you can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. The first 2 minutes you'll have the burning sensation. It's quite common. But if you feel rashes in your skin, please remove it immediately, or else let it to set for 15 minutes. So you can include this detan in your facial and cleanup. It gives a better result. So it's almost 7 minutes done and you can see it's almost dried. So I'm just taking a rose water to give a slight massage. So I'm leaving it for the 7 minutes. It's actually So when you feel burning or itching sensation in your face, never do this. But first time, don't try it in house. Just go to salon and take the detan facial, so that you'll get to know whether it is suiting for your skin. If it is suiting, you can use anytime, but try to use twice a month, not every week. 15 minutes is done. So I'm quickly wiping out the product from my face. So after this, even you can use your mask. If you have the fresh fruits, you just grind it and you can use a mask, or you have any mask with you, you can also use that, so it gives better result. Guys, I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. If you want more updates, follow us on Instagram. If you need any procedure, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.